guys, welcome back to the channel. This is looks like a tree fell. Little series I was starting. This quick little burps. I'm calling it Cobb and a Conversation. So it is Friday, I do believe July 29th. We had about 2 inches of rain yesterday. So a lot of rain, so I'm checking things out. Looks like, I don't know if you can see behind me there. Looks like we got a big branch or a tree or something to come down. But this is Cobb and a Conversation. And this is just me chatting about things, venting a little bit, whatever you want to call it. Today I'm smoking my Missouri Meerschaum Diplomat. A couple pipes. I have a bent and I have a straight. I have the straight one out today. I actually really enjoying it since I got it. And I am smoking some Cornell and Diehl Crooner, which is a different blend. It's a nice way of putting it. It is different. When I first smoked it, I was like, but if you watch my tobacco reviews, I seem to always warm up the blends. It takes me a minute. I'm not a love it from the get-go type person, other than just a couple blends. But what's been happening? My Cobb and a Conversation for today. Well, first off, on the 11th of July, my mother had her knee replaced. So she stayed with us for about 2 to 2.5 weeks. And that was incredibly fun. Not really. But I do understand you're in pain and all that. And she just wanted to go home. She's in her mid to late 70s. Wants to be extremely independent and all that. And didn't understand the whole situation of what was going to happen. The process, the pain of all the rehab. But as of 2 days ago, she did go home. She's back in her own house. But we still have her dog, Max, because she really can't handle taking him out and walking him and doing all that. So for the time being, for the near future, Max will be hanging out with us. From last time, COVID, everybody's recovered from COVID. Everybody is good. No one seems to have any of the long haul COVID things I'm hearing about. My son, his girlfriend, they're good. My daughter, good. No RV trips because, like I said before, just really hard. Ooh, I'm getting attacked by a big bug. It's really hard because we didn't pre-book because we were working on the RV, and you do have to pre-book. I'm over, just gonna sit on my wood pile here, and I'm just walking around checking out my bins, seeing if the rain or anything messed anything up. So the COVID front's good. I think a bug bit my head. My son is moving. On Monday, we're moving him. Don't know who moves on a Monday. Apparently my son. But it's a lease thing. One lease is up, one lease starts. So Monday, we'll be moving him into a bigger apartment. So I do believe him and his girlfriend are quite happy about that. My daughter withdrew from one school because she did not feel she was getting out of it what she wanted. Applied to the University of Pittsburgh, and yesterday was informed all is good. She was accepted, so we're going to further that process along. And at the end of August, she will be starting at the University of Pittsburgh main campus in Oakland. So that's a good thing. She's really excited about that. We're happy for her about that. Garden, it's going good. Tomatoes are starting to come in. Got a ton of green ones. And I mean a ton. Just can't wait till they hope they don't all go red at one time. As you could probably see me meandering around. I haven't worked on my little shed project. It's been busy with many other things. What else is happening in the world that's bothering me? You like that skilled one hand light, one hand hold the camera. That was pretty good. His crooner's definitely different, definitely good. I'll do a review on it, proper, like. Videos coming out. I do have a Boswell's pipe tobacco review coming out. It'll be out after this video. What's really bothering me? People driving on the roads. I do drive a lot where I work and for work. And people, when you see big trucks coming, don't cut them off. Don't brake check us. Anyway. Hey, there you go. Anyway, so if you got it, drink. But this is just a little walk around in the area, in the woods. Oh, we did put out some leaf compost video and potato video. Check them out, guys. Like the channel, share it around. Give me some comments. I love the comments, good, bad, or otherwise. I go in and look, and it turns out I do have some dislikes on some of my videos. And one was, I do believe, a compost video. How do you dislike a compost video? But hey, if you do, that's cool. I don't. That's all right. But nothing fancy. No intros, no outros. Maybe some outros on these. I don't know. Just trying out this Cobbin Conversation thing. But I gotta get to it. It's mid-morning. I've already had 2 cups of coffee. I have a plan in my head, a bunch of stuff that needs cleaned up. But like I said, I wanted to walk around and check out after those storms, if anything was down, the trees hit anything. And that's what I had to do. So I'm Noah. This is at Noah's house. This is a Cobbin Conversation. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.